Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mervice. I hope you guys are having a great day today. And today I want to share with you a product that I have had in my collection for a while, maybe 2 months by now or maybe more, and I have not touched it until today just because I wanted to share with you. I wanted to use it first here on my channel with you guys, and it is a Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This one is the SophX palette, and this one is in it has 24 eyeshadows. It is a beautiful palette, and this is what it looks like right now. I don't remember the price that I paid for it. It might have been in between 12 to 17 bucks. Makeup Revolution, if you guys don't know, is pretty affordable. So they have amazing eyeshadow palettes that I have talked about in my channel before, and amazing products that are super affordable. So just to show you what the palette looks like, this is what it looks like. These are the colors. As you can see, it's a pretty nice mix of metallics and also mattes. It has a really good mix of peachy tones, a couple of it has a purple, it has a couple of green colors, it has some gold, it has a shimmery like pinky shade, and it has a bunch of neutrals as well. So I think this is one of those eyeshadow palettes that you can create so many looks with it. For me, honestly, I'm looking at it, and before I started recording this video, I kept looking and thinking what look I'm going to do, because this just gives me so many ideas and I want to do so many things. But of course, you know, this is one tutorial, so I'm just going to do one eye look for you guys. So I'm just gonna start playing with it and see where it takes me. Honestly, that's usually how I do when I'm not sure of which makeup look I want to do. I know for sure that I want to use this purple color right here. I would love to use this green if I can, and yeah, and then of course I'm gonna use some of the mattes for the crease and all of that. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are interested in seeing how this eyeshadow palette performs and the makeup look that I'm about to do, just stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got you a little bit more up close and personal, so sorry for the face. I know the foundation is really not looking that good, at least I don't feel like it is. Maybe on the camera it's better than how I feel right now, but I'm trying a new foundation that I might have not already posted. If I did, I'm going to leave you a link over here so you guys can watch it if you're interested. I'm just gonna say it is Colourpop, so if you like Colourpop, might want to watch that video. But anyways, just ignore the face, please. Let's focus on the eyes, okay? And to start, I'm going to apply just this light color right here, which is like a beige color, and this is just to set my eyes and make sure we start with a nice base. And I'm gonna apply it all over the lid, okay? And I'm just doing like tapping motions because this eyeshadow, at least this color, is pretty powdery, so I don't want to get it all over my under eyes, or you know, where I applied my concealer. So I'm gonna be tapping off the excess with every color just to make sure I don't get any fall off. I'm now going to apply this color right here, and I'm going to apply it on my crease as a transition color. I'm going to go in with this color right here since the other colors are really not showing up very much. Let's see how this works, and if not, then I'm just going to go with one of these brown colors, okay? And as you can see, I apply in circular motions, okay? That helps blend the eyeshadows better. And I'm just doing kind of like a C on my eyes, and I'm getting it a little bit closer to the inner corner of my eyes. So now I'm going to be using the color that I am the most excited for here, and I'm going to be using this purple plumish color, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. I want to see how it performs before I keep just dipping in the crease and kind of see what I'm going to do with it. So I'm gonna apply it with my fingers. So now I'm gonna apply this color. It's like a pink, peachy kind of color, pretty intense. So I'm going to apply it on my crease as well, just to try and play and see how it works. Okay, bear with me. Alright, so now I would love to apply that color over here, but it's a little shocky. So I'm gonna go in with this color in the inner corners of my eyes and just see how it works. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I don't know if you like it, but I do like it. I think it came out pretty nice. I was a little worried at the beginning because, to be honest, these eyeshadows I don't think are the best. Especially on my skin tone, they barely show up. I had to keep trying and trying and trying. There's a lot of fallout, and I was trying not to get any eyeshadow on my face or on the rest of my face. So I had a little bit of a struggle. What I had to do at the end was I had to wet the brushes, especially to apply underneath my lash line over here. I reapply a little bit of the purple with the wet brush as well, just to intensify a little bit more the color. But I mean, what can I tell you? I think if you're lighter than me, this will probably be really nice for you. If you're my skin tone or darker, I'll say maybe go for another eyeshadow palette. Makeup Revolution has a lot of amazing eyeshadow palettes that in my case I love. There is one that is a classic neutrals versus neutrals, which, like the name says, it has mostly neutrals, but it has a couple of pops of color over there. They now have the reloaded palettes, which cost only $7, and they are amazing. I have tried 2 or 3 different ones of them, and they're really good. So I'll say just go for something like that. This is an eyeshadow palette that I think it looks beautiful. Packaging, it's amazing, but as far as performance, I would not recommend this at all. Okay. In my case, I mean, now that I have it, I might play with it a little bit more. If I change my mind, I'll let you know. Maybe I'll feature in another video or something. But as of right now, I think I tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's say I tried probably a little bit less than 10 shades, and they didn't perform very well. And I tried the shades that I know could work the best for me. So I mean, there's nothing else I can tell you. I would say just go for another eyeshadow palette. And yeah guys, that is it for the video. If you enjoy it, like always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me, guys, and I hope to see you back on my channel very soon. Bye.